Okay, so what we have here is the 2-pack bathroom trash can, smart touchless trash can, automatic motor sensor trash bin with lid, 2.4 gallon garbage can, kitchen, bathroom, office, bedroom, trash can, black and black. So here's the bases, here's the connectors for the top, and here's the top. Now, the batteries go in here, AA actually, whoa, like so, and then you have your little panel there, so you can either put your hand in front of it and it'll open up. In a certain amount of time it will close, or you can push the button, open, close. So pretty straightforward there. Got a good sensor to it. So pop these inside the top lid. That's the trash, holds the trash can liner in. And these sit right on top. Good fit. And hello. Trash cans operational. Pretty thin plastic actually, but for a 2-pack, there you go, trash cans.